General Motors joining Ford now in partnering with Tesla to use its charging network in North America. Under the deal, GM's electric vehicles will gain access to 12,000 of Tesla's fast chargers starting next year. And GM and Tesla shares both higher on that news. It is a very big deal. Joining us right now is ARK Invest CIO and CEO Cathie Wood. Tesla is, of course, the top holding of the ARK Innovation ETF. Cathie, we were discussing this just in the last hour. It's a remarkable thing I was listening to Spaces yesterday, Twitter Spaces, Elon Musk with Mary Barra, someone who has, it has been very hard for her to even utter the words Tesla over the years. And here is this partnership. What does it mean, do you think, long term, both for Tesla, but also for the legacy automakers, GM and Ford?
Cathie Wood just said something about Tesla. The ARK Invest CEO has been a visionary when it comes to identifying disruptive technologies and trends, with unparalleled expertise and reputation in the investment world. In a surprising turn of events, Tesla, Ford, and GM have announced a groundbreaking collaboration, an interesting update that has sent shockwaves through the world of electric vehicles. It's clear that the EV industry landscape is evolving, and Cathie Wood's perspective provides valuable insights into the potential implications for investors and enthusiasts alike. What does the stock expert and one of the most influential figures in the investment world have to say about it? Join us as we have an inside look at Cathie Wood's reaction to Tesla's latest collaboration. This is a video you don't want to miss.
It reminds me of what happens with most technologies that proliferate and scale. There's a standard, and here we have a charging standard. Charging solves the range anxiety problem. And what's also very interesting about this is it does help Tesla underwrite the charging station expense, because if you look at Tesla's sales, they are highly concentrated on the coasts. Now it's going to make a lot more sense for Tesla to roll out charging stations that much faster throughout the country.
Right. How much of their revenue and profits do you now imagine over time will be a function of the infrastructure part of their business versus the automobile manufacturing part of their business?
Well, actually, we think another revenue source is going to be much bigger. And of course, that's the autonomous taxi platform. And we think it's going to drive the valuation because the margins associated with autonomous are going to be SaaS-like. So instead of electric vehicle gross margins in the 25 to 30% range, we expect autonomous, the platform strategy, to deliver 80%, 90% margins. So the combined will be north of 50%.
The news of Tesla teaming up with traditional automotive giants Ford and GM has left the industry buzzing with excitement, speculation, and expectations. It is a collaboration that could open doors to innovative electric vehicle models, cutting-edge technology sharing, and even advancements in autonomous driving. For instance, by combining forces, Tesla and Ford could create a formidable force challenging other electric vehicle manufacturers. The competition would be fierce, and consumers would benefit from the accelerated pace of innovation and increased accessibility. Similarly, the potential partnership between these two automakers holds immense promise for the electric vehicle industry. From technology sharing and expanding electric vehicle portfolios to battery advancements and disruptive market competition, the possibilities are electrifying. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Cathie Wood, CEO and lead investment of ARK Invest, has been a longtime Tesla fan, and she thinks that these new deals will have a huge impact on the EV industry. She said, "I think it's great for America and our transition to the electric future, and I do think it increases the probability that our forecast of 60 million electric vehicle sales by 2027 is right. Having both GM and Ford on this charging network gets us there much faster." Wood believes that this deal will move the industry closer to accepting and implementing a single charging standard, which could accelerate the popularity of EVs. Could she be right? Can this turn out to be something huge for Tesla investors? Let's find out. But before we start, if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay up to date on everything happening with Tesla. In her recent interview, Wood claimed that charging solves the range anxiety problem for automakers, as they will now enjoy a charging standard, just as with most technologies that proliferate and scale. And though some have said that this partnership will do more to help the competition rather than Tesla itself, Wood said that it will open up the middle part of the country for Tesla. According to the ARK Invest CEO, Tesla's sales are highly concentrated on the coasts, and it's going to make a lot more sense for the automaker to roll out charging stations that much faster throughout the country. She also added that Tesla currently has about 17,000 supercharging stations, which can give drivers around 200 miles in just 15 minutes across the U.S. Earlier this year, the tech investor touted Tesla as a big winner in the artificial intelligence race and said that the stock was not overpriced. Wood said while many may think that Tesla is an auto stock, she believes that it's much more than that, describing the car company as one of the biggest AI opportunities out there. She also added that, by her prediction, Tesla will be a $2,000 stock by 2027. Building on the AI hype, Wood said software providers will be the next group of stocks set to benefit from industry excitement powered by NVIDIA, adding that her firm is looking to the software providers who are, at the moment, where NVIDIA was when ARK first bought it. NVIDIA temporarily became a $1 trillion company recently, with its rising valuation fueled by tech companies big and small racing to add generative artificial intelligence tools to their products. Its chips make it a key supplier for companies trying to build something with AI. NVIDIA's valuation pushed past the $1 trillion benchmark, putting it in the rarefied air previously occupied by only a few large companies, such as Apple and Microsoft, after they surpassed the significant mark in August 2018 and August 2019, respectively. Cathie Wood sees Tesla's collaboration going beyond superchargers, taking the automaker to a point where it starts to license its software. Looking beyond the immediate impact, there's a long-term perspective on the collaboration. And for Cathie Wood, this is a stepping stone towards a more sustainable future, with electric vehicles becoming the norm rather than the exception. The partnership could create a powerful ripple effect, encouraging other automakers to embrace electrification and contribute to the global efforts in combating climate change. Cathie Wood's reaction to Tesla's collaboration with Ford and GM is one of excitement and anticipation. She recognizes the potential for this partnership to revolutionize the electric vehicle market, accelerate the transition to sustainable transportation, and drive further innovation. Tesla is also set to make a lot of revenue from these partnerships, possibly giving it enough funds to kickstart its robo-taxi business. The automaker is well positioned to be a leader in autonomous vehicles and has far more autopilot-enabled cars on the road compared to its peers, which means Tesla has more training data for the artificial intelligence algorithms that power its FSD software. The company's CEO, Elon Musk, also believes its cars are equipped with the most efficient inference computer in the world. Basically, Tesla has more data and better technology, and it plans to capitalize on that advantage by mass-producing robotaxis in 2024. Cathie Wood's reaction to Tesla's collaboration sheds light on its potential impact on the electric vehicle market, as it could reshape the competitive landscape and disrupt the status quo. It could create a seamless network of charging stations powered by cutting-edge battery technology, thereby making electric vehicles even more accessible and convenient for consumers. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section. And don't forget to tell us what your valuation on Tesla is. If you would like to know what Tesla has been up to these past few days, go ahead and click on the next video on your screen. See you there. See you